Guys, we're back again. We got a 2013 Toyota Sequoia, and we're going to be doing a cabin filter change. I got these cabin filters right here, model TCF 285. It's a 2-pack. I'll put it in the description where you can get them. So open your glove box. You'll see this little inset. This inset needs to be taken out. You don't need any tools to take it out, but you need to pop this thing out. On the bottom, it has this little, there's a little tab on the bottom. There's one on this side. We'll set that out of the way. Now we'll slide the filter panel up until the tabs on the bottom of the panel can be seen. And that is verbatim from the manual. So now the tabs can be seen. And we'll pull this out on the side. Just like that. Okay. So that's what it looks like. Now that we get that out of the way, we're going to depress the filter cover mounting tabs. So, got that one. I pulled them both. We have a filter in here. This is a K&N I put in here. I'm going to take that out and replace it though. I found that one of these little Craftsman hooks seemed to help me out. We'll go ahead and go in here with this hook. We'll grab and pull it out. Just like that. That's it. Here's the filter. Airflow needs to go down, so we'll put it in like that. All right, let's get after it. So everything in reverse order. Take our filter, throw it in. Take that inset, tuck and roll. So the manual says to do this every 15,000 miles or 1 year, whichever comes first. If you liked the video, hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care. All information came from the Haynes repair manual, and you can find it on 125. Here is the start of the cabin filter information. Okay, there's that, so you can see that. You want to see this. This is detail.